This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to do the marshmallow job in CRK. First, ensure your Sugar Gnome laboratory is upgraded to unlock the marshmallow job. Then, navigate to your kingdom's production buildings and select the marshmallow job. Assign a suitable cookie with high production stats to maximize efficiency. This job primarily produces marshmallow items, crucial for various crafting recipes and fulfilling wishes. To maximize your marshmallow output, strategically select cookies with the highest production power. Certain cookies have skills that specifically enhance production rates. Remember to consistently upgrade your marshmallow production building. Higher levels yield more items per cycle. Additionally, place specific landmarks near the building to provide valuable buffs, further increasing your overall production efficiency and reducing completion times. Marshmallow items are incredibly versatile within your kingdom. They are a core ingredient for crafting numerous other items in your production buildings, from delicious treats to essential materials. You'll also need them to fulfill wishes at the train station, which provides significant rewards like coins and experience jellies. Don't forget to check the trade harbor, as marshmallows are often requested for special trades. For advanced play, prioritize marshmallow production during events that require large quantities for crafting or exchanges. Always balance your marshmallow output with the needs of other production chains to maintain a steady flow of resources. If you're in urgent need, consider using time-skip items to instantly complete production cycles. This ensures you always have enough marshmallows for critical tasks and progression.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.